dolls, this is Crystalchanel and I am back. I know it's been a minute, dolls, but I am bringing you some really cute, affordable looks. And I just want to stop real quick. If you are new to this channel, then hey, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you know when it is that I post. If you have been here, you've been rocking with your girl, then hey boo, hey, I missed you. If you want to see more of what I'm talking about and what I picked up, stay tuned. I think it's very sexy. It is very, very lightweight. I didn't think it's see-through, but trust me guys, I'm pretty sure it's see-through. So I would wear this just like this, but with a long duster to cover my bottom half, or I would find some shorts that are similar color to wear underneath. But again, this is a really sexy item. I love how feminine it is with the lace detail. It does have your back out. So if you want to rock this, I'm thinking of rocking this with perhaps knee highs or some ankle booties, and again with a long duster. I love the color as far as like this orangey burnt brown color, and I think it's perfect for fall. So definitely will be rocking this soon, as you'll see on my social media. Be sure you're checking out my Instagram at Chrissy the Doll to see when I post this look. So for this particular look, I'm not upset at it. I at first was unsure when I pulled it out the bag, but now that I have it on, I love the pants because they're very comfortable, they're not tight. There is a real drawstring. As far as the top, it's a little baggy. I could have, I think, gone one size down. So I'm going to put all of my measurements down below in the box. I live for a two-piece set because with two pieces, you can always wear them together or style them separately. I would wear this together. I think it's really cute. I really do adore the whole stacked pants trend, which is how it looks all scrunchy on the bottom. It's like a thing now, okay? So I adore the stacked pants. Again, I would get one size down, but even being that it's a little baggy, I still like it, and the colors are super girly. Okay, dolls, I'm going to just start off by saying, get this top. Get this top, okay? The things I love about it, I love that it's real material. So unlike some of the other things I've shown you, it seems to be like really polyester feeling. This feels like actual sweatpants material. So I wanted you to see that on the inside. It feels like a sweat top. I love that it snatches your waist in. With that being said, there's not any stretch in this, okay? So again, I'm gonna put my measurements down below, but I love how it has that corset pleated detail because it does give you that silhouette where you're snatched, and it's really, really comfortable. Like, I love this top. Now there is a hood, so you can definitely look casual, look cute, or you can just be functional with it. So the hood doesn't feel weird. It fits pretty nicely. I absolutely love, again, this top. The zipper does zip all the way down, so it's fully functional. I was very, very surprised at this top. This is probably my favorite thing of the whole entire haul, okay? So again, grab this top. I'll put the size down below, and yeah, I totally recommend this. Okay, so this is the full picture. My girls won't let me be great, but that's okay. I'll recommend, for me, I would have gone one size up if possible, or I would wear some kind of undergarment that's lacy, that has like a bustier top, so that if this is the fit that I'm going for, it doesn't look tacky, okay? But again, I would wear black leggings with this. I would wear jeans with this. Some heels. I'm gonna back up so you can see how long it goes. So again, this is really cute. I love the details in the shoulders, how it pops up. I love the details in the arm. I love how it snatches in my waistline, so it does accentuate your shape. I also really adore the sleeve, little buttons, but look at the shape that it's serving me here. So if you want drama, if you want fashion, you can definitely pick up this piece. You can wear it open, like a duster. You can have it closed. I would honestly wear this outfit with a lacy, like, bodysuit. Then I would have some jeans that are high-waisted, and then I would have on red lipstick. I think royal blue and red is phenomenal as far as how it looks together. And some black pointy heels with black purse. I think this is a really cute top, and I like how it has this little ruffle detail in the back. I don't know, I like it. So you all already know I love girly items. I love the femininity of this top. So long story short, it does have these bungee cord kind of pull strings if you wanted to give more of a ruching look to your sleeve. I love the organza. I think again it's very girly and feminine. It's very pretty because it's bubblegum pink and it fits pretty well. I am, you know, I'll put my size of my bra and my chest measurement, all that good stuff down below, but I was able to get them over the girls. And I have some extra space, so even though it's like a crop, it's not showing a whole lot of my stomach, okay? So this is what the back looks like. I think you may want to be concerned about is the way that it feels, because it's not very stretchy in the arms. So I already kind of, it's like I feel it. I noticed that it's squeezing on my arm here, and that may be something to be concerned with. I would probably suggest going up a size. I'll put the size what I got this in on the screen as well as down below. But yeah, I think it's really cute and girly. You can wear it with some pants kind of like I have on. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it, you know, dressed up if you rather, with like a long skirt. I would do like a long tube skirt, kind of like Kim Kardashian-ish with something like this, but you can really play with it. And again, I recommend going up one size because it's getting on my nerves. Like I feel it squeezing my arm. Okay, dolls, next we have this top, and I am so impressed with this top. I'm gonna just start there. So the things I love the most about this top is the shape of the sleeves. Look how much drama this is. Look how extra this is. Like, this is a statement top. Absolutely love the color of this top. I love the print. Again, I would rock this with a red lip. I would even do like a pink lip, but if you really want to slay, I would say go with red. Again, sleeves are so pretty because they're bell shaped. Now, the only thing is it's huge. Like, this is really big on me, and I'm so sad because I love this top. So in this particular shirt, you definitely want to size down. Pay attention to also the reviews. If the item has a review, pay attention to it for the fit. Also pay attention to the sizing chart, because I did notice that each item had a different sizing chart. The way I'm gonna make it work is I'm probably going to pull it back like this when I wear it, and then tuck the bottom in under my bra strap. And because it's so loose already, it's baggy, I think it wouldn't look the worst if I did that, or maybe pin it up, you know, on my bra straps or something. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. I make these videos to be a resource for you dolls so that you do not get the wrong size and you do not have to figure it out. So again, I absolutely love this shirt. So I absolutely love this dress. Very surprised because it's very lightweight and did not seem significant at all as far as the fabric, but that's a good thing because it's pretty breathable. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the things that I love. I absolutely love the way it feels on. Again, not printed on one side, but it has all the print on another side. I love this dress because I love wrap dresses anyway. Like, if y'all been watching my channel, you a real diva doll, you already know I love me a wrap dress and I love me wrap shirts, okay? So I like it because it does accentuate your shape. I love it because it also rouges in the middle. So it kind of, if you have any insecurities about your belly or anything like that, it's in your favor. It helps you. Now for me, like for example, I have loose skin. If you don't know about my weight loss journey, check out my weight loss channel. I'll put all those links down below. But anyways, I have loose skin in the middle of my thigh. So that's the only thing about wrap dresses, is that sometimes that becomes exposed. But typically what I'll do is get a safety pin, and I kind of just, you know, or I'll unhem it and sew it. But if you're not into all of that, you can just get a safety pin and make the wrap portion that where it wraps and connects just a little bit longer so that it doesn't open so wide in the front. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I wanted to bring some new brands to my channel. I want you to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I want you to leave a comment down below. Tell me which look was your favorite. It took like around 2 weeks for me to get my items. The items came as expected because I knew it was a fast fashion website, because I knew looking at the prices what to expect. So I'm gonna put the sizes to everything that I picked up. Any coupon codes I can find, you know, I gotta save my dolls some money. And yeah, That's it. Make sure you do follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok. And my name is at Chrissy the Doll. If there's some other brands out there that you want me to do a video on, also drop me a comment. I will check that out. And if you have any questions about my hair, my lashes, anything like that, I'm gonna leave those details also down below in the box. Making videos is something I absolutely love to do. So thank you again so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.